Hello, I'm Zoe. In this episode of Drive Go Go I will present the new Skoda Fabia. Skoda, after 4 years, is doing a comprehensive update to the Fabia. The exterior modifications are conservative. The main change is the radiator grille at the corners. They receive a new angle, highlighting the headlight separation between the standard LED daylights and the available LED headlight. The profile lines have been sharpened to look modern. The traditional C-shaped taillight signature can now be done with LEDs. New 18 inches wheels are available in option on the hatch version. The interior received new materials for the dashboard and the seats. The instrument cluster has been redesigned to make it easier to read. The power windows are all getting the auto down and up function. They can also be controlled by the remote control key. The Fabia electronics is benefiting the upgrade. First, new security features are available, such as blind spot detect, rear traffic alert and auto light assist. There is now a choice of 4 infotainment. The basic has USB and SD card interfaces. The 3 others feature a 6.5-inch touchscreen. At the top, the Amundsen version is compatible Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It can act as a Wi-Fi hotspot to connect 2 tablets for the rear seats. Skoda for the Fabia is proposing only petrol engines, with 4 different power output of 60, 75, 95, 110 horsepower. Those are the main characteristics. Visit our website to learn more. If you enjoyed this episode, please like and subscribe to not miss the next one. Thank you for watching. See you soon on Drive Go Go.